Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. The integration of the x you got about x. So I will put number 9 gone here, z square gone here. So we have 9 minus z square. The integration of dy, we have y. So I will put number 3 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have number 3. And we have the integration from 0 to number 5. The integration of number 9, we have 9z. The integration of z square, we have z to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put the bounds from 0 to number 5. And now we have the final answer. So we simplified and you got number 10. Now let's go to the next one. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. So I will put the bounds in here from 0 to the square root of x over z. Now I will put this one gone here, number 0 gone here. So we just have about number 2 and number 2 we cancel, and we have s z minus 0 square. So we just would write this, and I will have z. We see that s you got about s square. Z and z, they cancel. The integration of s square, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put the bounds from 1 to z. So I will put z gone here, number 1 gone here. So at number 3, I will put outside. And we have the integration from 0 to number 2. And we have z to the power of 3 minus 1. And now we have the final answer. That is about z to the power of 4 over 4. Number 1, that is about z. And we have the bounds from 0 to number 2. So I will put number 2 gone here, number 0 gone here, and we have the final answer. And we have 2 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.